As the temps begin to rise, and the sunlight starts to increase, it's important that you get a head start on the growing season. Here's how. Number 1. Prune and clean up. Prune off any dead branches, and remove any dead plants. Make sure you're not cutting the branches off of any dormant plants that you may have. Number 2. Plan your layout. Consider changing the layout, or style of the garden, as well as the location. Your garden should be placed in a spot that receives the most sun, and minimal wind. Number 3. Add soil. Many of your pots or garden beds may have had their soil levels reduced dramatically. This can be from many factors like soil compression, or decomposition in the soil. Make sure to add a good quality soil, such as a potting mix. Number 4. Water. Even though it's still winter, your dormant garden can still be watered, just so long as the temp isn't below freezing. If it is, you'll just be creating more ice. If it isn't, you can water, if it hasn't rained in a while. This can help plants from drying out. Number 5. Start your seeds. Up to 2 months before the last frost, you can now start some of your seeds indoors, such as peppers, tomatoes, and some herbs. Depending on the location and temperature, some seeds can also be started outdoors.